Okay, continue on this series on Google Lead lead form extension. Um, in the last two videos, I covered what this is and how to set it up. And here's where we left off. So we finished setting up the lead form. And if you don't know what was covered, just go back to the first and the second video and I'll get caught up on this. So the next question is, once you set this lead form up, you capture lead, where to go to get it, right? Where did you retrieve the leads? All the other Google Ads leads are in the conversion, and when you set up the lead form, when you set up a contact form, it goes directly to your email. This one's a little bit different. And the way to retrieve it is, as Google suggested, is to connect this with your CRM system or email marketing, MailChimp, HubSpot, and Salesforce, and so on and so forth. The problem with this is that you need to have some kind of integration between the two to set it up, and it's unless you pay, if you have a paid CRM, then it might be worth it doing that. But if not, then you have to get a CRM. I found an easier way to do it, and let me walk you through on using Google Sheets rather than anything else. And if I don't finish this within 5 minutes, I'll start another video and try to complete this process. It's a little bit complicated, but it's worth this one-time effort to get it set up once and for all. Let me take a look at the time. Okay, so you're here and you see as you expand out that there's other data integration options, one of which is using what we call the Google Webhook. If you don't know what that is, just Google it and get an understanding of it. So the way to do this is to use Google Sheets, and I'll start a new Google Sheet so you can learn this from the very beginning. Okay, this is a brand new Google Sheets. Oops. Let's see. And let's see. So when you have a brand new Google Sheets, you would go to let's see, app script under extensions. Open this up. It opens an editor where you have to put in a code. I think it's JavaScript code. Okay, eliminate that. Here's the code, and I will. Here's what I'll do with this code. Okay, if you guys are interested using this, email me or drop a comment in under the video, and I'll send it to you directly. Okay, so once you put the code in here, what you need to do is there's two fields where you update the spreadsheet, the Google Sheets URL, and all you need to do is come here, grab the URL, and then just update it in between these two double quotes. This is the first area, and here's the second area. Yeah, what you're doing is just linking the script with the spreadsheet. So now you have it. Go ahead and save it. Next thing we do is we'll deploy it, and this will be a new deployment. The gear icon. We're going to use the web app. We're going to deploy this as a new web app. Test Google Meet. This is going to be you. Actually, are there other options? Okay, so this is me, and then oops, I'm gonna go back to this to finish. Web app test Google Lead. This one, anyone. So now I'm deploying it. Check the time. Okay, so it's deploying. Okay, so now I need to authorize Google the script to have access to my Google Sheets. Okay, allow. all the add-ons underneath this other. So now it's done, right? It's deployed. So what we need to do is grab this URL, copy it, grab it, and click on done. So I got the URL, and what I'll do is I'll go back to the webhook field. I'll put this URL right here, and key, you can do whatever, A, B, C, whatever. And then you're done. So now you have the sheet, you have the script that's running, and let's test it. Send test data. Go back to the sheet. See what happens here? It just captured that lead. Okay, it's a test lead, and if you go format lead, it'll give you the lead's first name, last name, email address, and the user phone number. Okay, this is, remember, in the series 1 and 2, video 1 and 2, we set up the form in such a way so we capture these three things, and now it's automatically uploaded into Google Sheets. And now that's the way to capture the lead form leads. And this is the only place where you can do it. You can't get it from anywhere else because it's embedded into the ad itself. So either through integration with a third-party CRM tool, or like I found out, using Google spreadsheets to set it up. In the next chapter, or next video rather, I will show you how to automate the lead retrieval. So once you have the lead here, it's in the Google Sheets, what can we do to get notified when there's a new lead so you can go and retrieve it? And that's it for now. Remember, if you want to get the script, just email me, or actually drop your comment and contact information in the comment, in the video comment, and I'll reach out to you directly and send you this quote. That's it, guys. Thanks.